So once you've taken the centre bolt out of the steering wheel, it's important, if you look closely, you should see a mark. It's important that you line up on this part here, just make a mark in line with there, which will mark the centre, and it's important that you do that. Voila. So you can see the two marks lined up. So that's how we know the steering wheel is bang on in the centre where it should be. Reversal. Do that up finger tight to make sure it's not cross-threaded. And give it a little nip up with a ratchet. Obviously it should be torqued, but I'm quite confident I can do it without over tightening it. So when you're fitting the airbag, just need to be careful. Put the clip back in place and push that forward. Make sure it's home. And then on this T6 steering wheel, there is a spare wire that you just need to find somewhere for it to sit out of the way, and then in theory it should just click into place. And voila. So it's important that when you've disconnected the clips at the back of the steering wheel, I would always advise before you take the airbag off that you'd disconnect the battery, just to take away the risk of that airbag going off on you. So yeah, once everything's clipped back into place, just go ahead and start it. There's a good chance you may get a warning light come on the dash because you've been fiddling with the airbag. If it does, then unfortunately you need to find somebody that's got a code reader and turn it off. The only warning light I've got on is my diesel warning light. So yeah, I am really happy with that steering wheel. The detailing, we've got a nice leather patch in the middle. I'm going to look at in the future getting these buttons wired up, but you know, that is makes the cab look a lot more sporty. The steering wheel actually looks and feels that it's come out of the factory. So yeah, if you're interested in getting one of these wheels, have a look on Instagram. That's where I found the guy. He's called SS Custom Works. He's called Steve. Go and visit his Instagram, check out his work. He does the things in a lot of different colours. There's different styles. There's cheaper options as well if you don't want the flat bottomed steering wheel. Very reasonable price. Yeah, go and check him out. Any questions, stick it in the comments below. Ciao for now. So it'll be easier for me to demonstrate it to you on the old steering wheel. So basically, if you can imagine now that this steering wheel is fitted to the vehicle, so you want to turn that steering wheel through 180 degrees, and with your screwdriver and using the camera on your phone, if you look into the gap here, you can see a metal clip. So you stick your screwdriver in there, make sure you've got a firm sort of fixing on there, and all you do is lever that clip. Okay, there's a bit of tension on it, but once you lever it, one side of the airbag will pop out. That's when you would then start your engine, turn the steering wheel through 180 degrees so you can get access to the other side, screwdriver in, lever this clip, this side will pop out. Then turn your steering wheel back through 180 degrees so it's dead centre. Turn the ignition off and disconnect the battery.